Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add quantity in Shopify. So simply in order to do this, just you have to click on products, and now here we will click on add a product. So simply just fill all the basic requirement of product, and after that just you can simply add a file here, like I'm adding my product image here. So just add the image, click on open, and after then scroll down, and here you can set the price. So now after when you set the price so thus in inventory option you can add the quantity here, like how much item do you want to add here. So simply just type the number of items. So now you have successfully added the quantity, and just after that click on the save button. So now you can see how easily you can add quantity in Shopify.